Hey guys, Dr. Lauren here. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the development of the cervical curve because I talked a couple weeks ago about how a good cervical curve can help give input to the brain, good input to the brain to help calm down our nervous system. So I wanted to chat and dive in a little bit more about how our cervical curve develops. And this really starts in infancy in the first couple months of life. And if you notice, babies, when they get to be in tummy time, they start to push up and extend their head. And this is really the initial step of developing that cervical curve. But another piece of this that's very important is that they're looking around from side to side as they're pushing up. So it's those two motions together, the extension and rotation, that help us develop a good cervical spine, which then gives us good feedback into our brain for a calmer nervous system. So as an adult, one thing that you can do to retrain this, if you've noticed like some anterior head carriage, or maybe you feel like super excitatory and in a stress state a lot, is this exercise with your thumb. I'm gonna try to get in a good space for you. And what you're gonna do is follow your thumb and extend your head up to a corner. So what you could also do if there's some shoulder issues and that movement is hard for you, one, not only contact your chiropractor, but two, you could just rotate and look back to a corner in a room. So doing that as many times as possible throughout the day will help retrain that cervical curve. If you find yourself not able to turn to both sides, like one side is really hard to turn and extend to, or like maybe you can turn but not extend, or you can extend but turning is hard, this is where upper cervical care shines. So what we really do is specifically look at how your head and neck are interfacing, how that range of motion, how much of that range of motion is available to you, and we can make really super gentle and specific corrections to make sure that head essentially is on your neck straight. So this will help with that cervical curve reorganization as well. And for current practice members, just use this video as a reminder to get on those exercises if you haven't done that today. But if you need help, we're here to support you. This is a really important tool for our total health, is getting back that cervical curve.